rooftop cargo carriers have become popular accessories for vehicles as they offer a practical and efficient solution for transporting additional luggage and gear. The Fuel Force XT is a specific model that stands out for its innovative design and functionality. It is a spacious and durable rooftop cargo carrier that provides ample storage capacity for a variety of items, making it ideal for road trips, camping adventures, or any other situation where extra cargo space is needed. The Fuel Force XT features a sleek and aerodynamic shape, which not only enhances the vehicle's overall appearance but also reduces wind resistance and noise during travel. This design contributes to improved fuel efficiency and a more comfortable driving experience. Additionally, the cargo carrier is equipped with secure locking mechanisms, ensuring that your belongings are safe and protected throughout the journey. The dual-side opening system allows for convenient loading and unloading from both sides of the vehicle, making it easily accessible in any situation. The Force XT is also compatible with various roof rack systems, offering versatility and compatibility with a wide range of vehicles. Overall, the Fuel Force XT rooftop cargo carrier combines style, functionality, and durability to meet the needs of travelers seeking additional storage space. Its aerodynamic design, secure locking mechanisms, and convenient loading features make it a reliable and user-friendly option for those looking to transport their belongings safely and efficiently. Whether it's a family vacation, a weekend getaway, or an outdoor adventure, the Fuel Force XT provides a practical and convenient solution for expanding the storage capacity of your vehicle. The Solo Stove Ranger. The Solo Stove Ranger is a compact and portable fire pit that has gained popularity among outdoor enthusiasts and campers. Designed with efficiency and convenience in mind, the Solo Stove Ranger utilizes a unique airflow system to create a smokeless and efficient burn. The stove is constructed using high-quality stainless steel, which makes it durable and resistant to rust and corrosion. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry and set up in various outdoor settings, from backyards to campsites. The Solo Stove Ranger incorporates a double wall design with strategically placed air vents. This design allows for optimal airflow, resulting in a more complete and efficient burn. The stove uses a natural convection process to draw in air through the bottom vents, which is then heated and expelled through the top vents. This efficient airflow not only reduces smoke production but also promotes a hotter and more consistent flame, maximizing heat output while minimizing fuel consumption. Furthermore, the Solo Stove Ranger is designed for easy use. Users can simply gather small pieces of dry wood or other biomass and place them in the stove, eliminating the need for additional fuel sources such as charcoal or propane. The stove's compact size and lightweight construction make it ideal for backpacking and camping trips, providing a convenient and eco-friendly way to cook meals and enjoy the warmth of a fire. Overall, the Solo Stove Ranger is a versatile and efficient fire pit that offers an enhanced outdoor experience for adventurers and nature lovers alike. Outlurry Sustainable Travel Cutlery. Outlurry is a concept that revolves around sustainable travel cutlery, aiming to address the environmental impact caused by single-use plastic cutlery. Traditional plastic cutlery is designed for convenience, but its disposable nature leads to significant waste generation and pollution. Outlurry offers an innovative solution by providing a compact and reusable travel cutlery set that is both practical and eco-friendly. The Outlurry set typically includes a fork, knife, spoon, chopsticks, a straw, and a cleaning brush, all made from durable and lightweight materials such as stainless steel or bamboo. These materials are chosen for their long lifespan and sustainability. The set is compactly designed to fit into a small carrying case, making it easy to take on the go and eliminating the need for disposable cutlery when dining outside the home. By promoting the use of reusable cutlery, Outlurry helps reduce the demand for single-use plastic and minimizes waste generation, thereby contributing to a more sustainable travel experience. Overall, Outlurry offers a practical and environmentally conscious alternative to single-use plastic cutlery. By providing a reusable travel cutlery set, Outlurry helps individuals make a positive impact on the environment while enjoying meals on the go. The concept encourages sustainable practices by reducing waste and raising awareness about the importance of choosing reusable options. With Outlurry, travelers can enjoy their meals while minimizing their carbon footprint and contributing to a more sustainable future. Kelty Rumpus Tent. The Kelty Rumpus Tent is a versatile and innovative outdoor shelter designed for camping and other outdoor adventures. This tent is specifically engineered to provide ample space, durability, and ease of use. It features a spacious interior with a unique construction that maximizes livable space, allowing campers to comfortably sleep, relax, and store their gear. The tent is designed with a freestanding dome shape, providing excellent stability and wind resistance. One of the standout features of the Kelty Rumpus tent is its easy setup and takedown process. The tent utilizes a color-coded clip and sleeve system, which simplifies the assembly process and reduces the time and effort required for setup. Additionally, the tent's sturdy frame and materials ensure durability and longevity, making it suitable for various weather conditions and environments. The Rumpus tent also includes multiple doors and vestibules, providing convenient entry and exit points, as well as additional storage space for gear and equipment. Overall, the Kelty Rumpus tent is a reliable and user-friendly option for outdoor enthusiasts. Its spacious interior, easy setup, and durable construction make it an excellent choice for camping trips, backpacking adventures, and other outdoor activities where comfort, convenience, and durability are essential. Rumpel Meet the Original Puffy Blanket. The Rumpel Original Puffy Blanket is a versatile and innovative outdoor blanket that has gained popularity for its exceptional quality and functionality. Made from durable materials such as ripstop nylon and synthetic insulation, this blanket is designed to provide optimal warmth and comfort in various outdoor environments. Its unique construction allows it to be highly compressible, making it easy to pack and carry for outdoor adventures such as camping, hiking, or picnicking. The original Puffy blanket features a water-resistant and stain-resistant outer shell, which adds to its durability and makes it suitable for use in different weather conditions. The synthetic insulation used in the blanket effectively traps heat and provides insulation even when wet, ensuring that users stay warm in damp or rainy environments. Additionally, the blanket is machine washable, allowing for easy cleaning and maintenance. Apart from its functional design, the Rumpel Original Puffy blanket also stands out with its stylish appearance. It comes in a range of vibrant colors and patterns, making it a fashionable accessory for outdoor enthusiasts. The blanket's versatility extends beyond outdoor use, as many people also enjoy using it at home for lounging, snuggling, or adding an extra layer of warmth to their beds. With its combination of durability, portability, and aesthetic appeal, the Rumpel Original Puffy Blanket has become a popular choice for individuals seeking a reliable and comfortable blanket for both outdoor and indoor use. Ritech Foldable MagSafe Dashboard Charger and Phone Holder. The Ritech Foldable MagSafe Dashboard Charger and Phone Holder is a versatile accessory designed for car camping enthusiasts. It combines the convenience of a phone holder with the functionality of a charger, all while incorporating the innovative MagSafe technology. This unique feature allows for easy attachment and detachment of compatible devices, ensuring a secure and stable connection during bumpy car rides. The foldable design of the Ritech charger and phone holder adds to its appeal for car camping. It can be easily folded and stored when not in use, taking up minimal space and reducing clutter in the vehicle. The foldable feature also enables it to be adjusted to different viewing angles, providing optimal visibility and accessibility for the driver or passengers. Furthermore, the integration of MagSafe technology in this accessory ensures efficient and fast wireless charging for compatible devices. With its strong magnetic connection, the charger securely holds the phone in place, preventing it from slipping or falling during off-road adventures. This feature is particularly beneficial for car campers who rely on their phones for navigation, entertainment, or communication while on the road. Overall, the Ritech Foldable MagSafe Dashboard Charger and Phone Holder for car camping offers a practical and convenient solution for campers who want to keep their devices charged and easily accessible while on the go. Its foldable design and MagSafe technology make it a versatile accessory that enhances the camping experience by providing a secure phone holder and a reliable charging solution in one compact device. Spark Nano 7 GPS Tracker. The Spark Nano 7 GPS Tracker is a cutting-edge device designed specifically for car camping enthusiasts. This compact and portable tracker offers a range of features that enhance the safety and convenience of car camping trips. Equipped with advanced GPS technology, the Spark Nano 7 allows campers to keep track of their vehicle's location in real time. This is particularly useful for large camping grounds or remote areas where it can be easy to lose track of the parked vehicle. With the ability to provide accurate and up-to-date location information, campers can have peace of mind knowing they can easily locate their vehicle whenever needed. Additionally, the Spark Nano 7 GPS Tracker offers other valuable features for car campers. It provides geofencing capabilities, allowing users to set up virtual boundaries for their vehicles. If the vehicle moves beyond the designated area, the tracker sends an alert, enabling campers to respond promptly and prevent potential theft or unauthorized use. The device also includes a long-lasting battery, ensuring that campers can rely on it for extended periods without worrying about frequent recharging. With its compact size, the Spark Nano 7 can be discreetly placed in the vehicle, making it an ideal solution for campers who prioritize security and want to keep their valuable belongings protected during their outdoor adventure. Thank you for joining us on Outdoor Gear Lab, your go-to channel for all things camping gadgets. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring for your next outdoor adventure. If you enjoyed the content and want to stay up to date with the latest camping gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an episode. We have plenty more exciting gear reviews and helpful tips coming your way. Remember, the wilderness is calling, and with the right camping gadgets from Outdoor Gear Lab, you'll be fully prepared to embrace the great outdoors. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next adventure.